is to give you a few tips and tricks on how to use our ULU Complete. Now, people say, well, why 3 capsules a day? Because it's everything. You're multi, you're immune, you're antioxidant, your hair, skin, nails proprietary blends. So I went from doing this and said to myself, why doesn't someone just put everything in one formula? And that's why you take 3 capsules a day. You can take them any time of day. Sometimes people, when they take B vitamins at night, it can keep them awake. So, take it as it works for you, but I like to do my vitamins in the morning because I'm in my morning routine with my coffee. Now, please have something in your tummy. Any supplement can upset your tummy if your tummy's empty. Nuts, little yogurt, it won't break your fast, according to Dr. Sinclair. Some people even open the capsules and put them in yogurt or put them in their smoothie because it's easier, for them to take than swallowing a capsule. However, if you don't like swallowing capsules, then and you can't put it in a smoothie, we really don't think this is the product for you, with all due respect, because we want you to use it. We want you to be successful. And always, always, always full glass of water, liquid juice. We want to make sure that the capsules are in your tummy so the nutrients can be absorbed. Now, we also add a little pill bottle capsule, childproof. Why? Take these. This holds 25. Take this capsule with you in your handbag, in your gym bag, in your briefcase, in your lunch bag, if the temperature's right, in your car. That way, if you're like me and sometimes you get up and you start running, you break your morning routine, you go, I got them with me, I can take them. And that will help you stay consistent, because consistency is so important. We're ULU, we're here for you if you have any questions, or if you didn't get one of these little capsule pill bottles in your order, go ahead and email us and we'll ship one out to you.